So, UFC 308. Ito yung co-main event. Si Khamzat Chimaev versus Robert Whittaker. Okay. So, Robert Whittaker is a former champion. You need to understand, to appreciate this. If you do not follow the UFC, you need to understand who Robert Whittaker is. Yung natalo. 'Di ba? That is a multiple champion. One of the best champions. One of the toughest people living today. And Khamzat Chimaev submitted him in the first round by breaking his jaw. 'Di ba? So yung teka, hanap tayo ng ibang yan so he choked him. Actually hindi natuloy yung choke eh. More like tawag doon, face crank ang nangyari sa kanya. So itong arm niya was hanapan natin. So yung arm niya inilagay niya doon across the face. Para siyang i-choke pero nandito sa panga, hindi siya nandito sa ilalim ng wala siya doon sa leeg. So hindi niya sinasakal. Pero ini-squeeze niya 'yon. Ini-squeeze niya yung panga mo. Ganun, dito sa may muka. And syempre masakit 'yun, 'di ba? Pero normally kasi ganun ang ginawa ni Khabib kay Conor McGregor eh. Actually, the exact same position. Ganyan na ganyan yung ginawa ni Khabib kay McGregor. Pero itong si Khamzat, itong si Robert Whittaker pala, pagka-squeeze pa lang ni Chimaev, na siya, nag-tap agad. Kasi nasira nga yung panga niya. 'Di ba? So, pati daw yung ipin niya, nagkandaleche-leche eh. So, he had to tap immediately, as in, immediately. Pagka piga pa lang ni Khamzat, tap agad siya. And that is incredible. That is incredible. Hindi ko makita yung yung ang UFC kasi mahilig mga copyright strike eh. So, eto, hindi na naka lang. So yan, nandyan. Ayan. Yan yung face crank. Unang piga pa lang niya, ayan, tap agad siya, oh. 'Di ba? Nagtatap siya niyan. Ginaganon niya yung shoulder ni Khamzat para bumitaw na siya. Imagine. Nabasag yung panga mo. Tapos si Robert Whittaker ka. Kumbaga parang ang parang ang naging superhero na si Robert Whittaker, naging kumbaga parang yung probability na mabubugbog ka pag naging Robert Whittaker ka na, napakababa na nun. Mabubugbog ka one-on-one. Pero kumbaga parang sa skill niya, hindi na mangyayari sa kanya yung dapat eh. Pero nakahanap siya ng isang halimaw na nakakalaban niya. Itong si Khamzat Chimaev nga. And ang nagiging madaming problema kasi itong si Khamzat Chimaev kaya hindi siya ganun ka-active eh. Nakakalaban lang siya pag nasa Abu Dhabi. Kasi may mga visa problems ata siya at kung ano-ano pa. Health problems pa minsan, 'di ba? Minsan may sakit siya, may nangyari sa bituka niya, mga ganun. Kung medyo maalas tong si Khamzat. Pero he is one of the scariest and most elite fighters in the UFC in the past 5 years siguro. Nakakatakot talaga to. Tapos may itsura, 'di ba? Yan oh. Yan ang itsura niya. Yan oh, 'di ba? Parang para siyang para siyang Babylonian na hindi mo maintindihan eh. And sayang lang talaga, madaming naging problema sa kanya kasi he would have fought a lot of great fights already, maybe against Israel Adesanya or even Alex Pereira. Malay mo siya yung makamatch ni Alex Pereira. Although nahirapan siya kay nahirapan siya kay Usman ba? Kailan ba siya nahirapan? Kay ano, kay Gilbert Burns. 'Yun. Pero ano siya, pero this time around, he ran through Robert Whittaker. And that is amazing in the first round. You gotta watch his fights. Hindi nga nakasapak si Robert Whittaker sa kanya, eh. 'Di ba kasi ang ano niya pa lang, unang exchanges pa lang nag-shoot na siya, eh. Tinake down niya na 'tong si Robert Whittaker tapos nandun lang sila sa may cage. Okay? So, and then that was just the co-main event. Doon sa main event, Max Holloway. Eto, Max Holloway, itong naka-white, he is the former champion sa UFC sa featherweight. Okay? And he is challenging. He lost his belt against Volkanovski. And Volkanovski held the belt for a few years. 'Di ba? Ilang beses ding nag-defend ng belt si Volkanovski and ilang beses din silang naglaban itong si Max Holloway. And kontrapelo ni Max Holloway si Volkanovski until today. 'Di ba? So, yun lang, si Volkanovski lang din niya matalo dati, eh. Until a couple of days ago, 'di ba? Nung nakalaban niya itong bagong champion, siya yung tumalo kay Volkanovski. Itong si Ilia Topuria, the Spanish matador. 'Di ba? Tapos mukhang maliit pa siya, 'di ba? Very muscular pero yung height niya hindi siya ganoon katangkad, mas matangkad si Max Holloway sa kanya. But this guy has has insane power in his punches. Knockout power kahit maliit siya, 'di ba? Relatively maliit siya. And he boxed Max Holloway, who was considered to be the best boxer in the UFC. A lot of people considers him to be that, 'di ba? And then he was outboxed. Ayan, yung mga tama sa kanya and also the leg kicks. And Max Holloway is one of the toughest motherfuckers. Siya nga yung BMF, eh. Yung BMF belt, siya yung BMF champion. And BMF means bad motherfucker. Badass motherfucker. Okay? So, tawag dito. Ano to? Oh. I don't get the comment. Okay, so, etong si Ilia Topuria. Naku, baka ano tayo, baka i-copyright tayo. Anyway, so this fight, na-knockout si Max Holloway ni Ilia Topuria. And it was a vicious knockout. Ayan, kita mo naman, pak. And Max Holloway went down on his shield. Still one of the greatest champions to ever fight in combat sports. It's just that a new champion has arose and it is his time now. Although si Max Holloway still, I think he's still 32 years old, so he still got a lot of fight left in him. And he's probably gonna be back. And let's see kung kakayanin niyang bawian itong si Ilia Topuria. But as of now, the dude is looking unstoppable. Unstoppable. Kasi nakakatakot talaga siya. Undefeated si Ilia Topuria on his way to the championship and his first title defense against the best featherweights of all time, Volkanovski and Max Holloway. Manhandled Bryce Mitchell, si Josh Emmett, ginulpi niya rin. Grabe, itong si Ilia Topuria. Very unassuming at first. He has also parang meron siyang may aura siya na nakakatakot, eh. Pero one of the most exciting fighters in the UFC right now. Ito si Ilia Topuria. Okay. So, hindi natin alam kung magre-rematch sila ni Volkanovski next or maybe hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari sa susunod na laban. or what's next for Max Holloway. There's a lot of options. Conor McGregor's name was being tawag dito, mentioned sa kanila. I don't know kung ilalaban siya kay Ilia Topuria, parang di naman siguro. But pwede siguro siyang ilaban kay Max Holloway for their second fight kasi naglaban na sila before for the BMF belt. I'm sure Conor McGregor would be interested with that, 'di ba? Interesado for sure yung BMF belt. Conor McGregor will probably never win a division belt anymore. But dun sa BMF belt, baka meron pa siyang pag-asa doon. And I'm sure he would still be interested. And that would be a huge fight if ever that gets booked. Okay? So, yun lang. Tapusin natin ng stream na to. We're gonna cut these segments on and upload it on this channel. Okay? So, yun muna. Paalam, paalam.